So now all of a sudden the ball. That'll be 4. He's finding his timing. Fakhar Zaman. Not good for Sri Lanka.
Quickly. It's very wavered from the legs, again on the legs. A couple of occasions he missed out actually. And again wide. Lucky that he got stopped, and this one down the leg side. Very difficult for.
Lovely. You don't run for those. The innings.
But if it hits on top of that,
He's he timed it. Doing it easy for the moment. 4 balls.
does. Oh,
Oh, it gets worse. It doesn't get any better for 3 hit.
yeah. What?
Oh, the fielder wouldn't have mattered. He's picked that up and it's gone for.
Has he not seen Simon Ayub bat? You ball.
He'll have to change his bowlers around. Uppish, but it hits hard. Sam Ayub.
The bowler is looking to bowl and then realize that it's short. I can actually hit it behind point. The ball is skidding.
Even better. All off the middle of the bat. Branch.